If you are looking to make money through investing, one of the best strategies to consider is picking stocks. But with thousands of options out there, how do you choose the right ones? Well, there's a method that smart investors follow, and I'm going to break it down for you. The first step is knowing exactly what you want your portfolio to achieve. For some, it's about making money in the long run. For others, it's about earning passive income, like through dividends. Some investors prefer to preserve their wealth, while others aim for rapid growth. Once you know your goal, the rest becomes a lot easier. The next step is selecting an industry that catches your interest. This is important because if you're excited about a particular industry, it will make your research a lot more engaging and easier to stick with. Whether it's tech, healthcare, or energy, there are countless industries out there, and you need to follow the news and trends that impact them daily. This helps you stay up to date on what's really going on, especially in rapidly evolving sectors. Now, let's talk about the numbers. The best investors know that it's not just about picking a stock based on trends or gut feelings. It's about understanding the financials. You will want to identify the companies that lead the industry, have strong earnings, and offer growth potential. These are the stocks worth your time. Financial metrics like the PE ratio, debt to equity ratio, and return on equity can give you clues about how strong a company is and whether it's a good fit for your portfolio. But here's the thing, just knowing the financials isn't enough. You need to understand the story behind the stock. Think about it like this: investing is like telling a story. You want to find the companies that are telling a story you believe in. For example, if you know there's a huge demand for renewable energy, it makes sense to consider companies in that space, especially if they're making waves with new innovations. But just because a company seems like a good fit doesn't mean you should jump right in. You need to dig deeper, analyze their press releases, and see if their plans align with what's happening in the real world. Let's take an example to make this clearer. Imagine you are interested in the tech sector. After doing some research, you find that cloud computing is growing rapidly, and companies that provide cloud services are in high demand. Now, look for the companies that are at the forefront of this trend. These are the ones you want to research more. Once you have found the companies that interest you, the next step is to tune into their investor presentations. These give you a snapshot of how the company plans to make money, their vision for the future, and how they intend to stay ahead of the competition. This is where you get a clearer picture of whether or not this is a company that's worth investing in. And finally, remember, don't rush into anything. It's okay to step back and take your time. In fact, sometimes the best decision is not to invest in a stock at all if the research doesn't align with your goals. This is where patience becomes crucial. Investing in stocks isn't a get rich quick game. It's about making informed decisions, staying updated on industry trends, and trusting your research. The more you learn and the more you stay involved, the better your chances of finding successful investments. In the end, stock picking isn't always easy, but with the right approach and mindset, you always build a portfolio that works for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. And if you've got any stock picking stories, drop them in the comments. Let's talk investments.